Hello, Steve Gatzer here for Furnace USA, and if you live here in the greater Houston area, we can get you a quote as soon as the next 5 minutes. So if you're looking for a new furnace or an air conditioner or a water heater for your Houston home, give us a call today or just click on the link inside the description below and we can get you a quote right now. To learn more about quotes with Furnace USA, continue to watch this video. Thank you. Getting a quote for HVAC equipment can be a frustrating and time-consuming experience for homeowners. Our goal here at Furnace USA is to make it as quick and easy and convenient for you as we possibly can to get a quote for an air conditioner or a furnace or a water heater. So the normal experience that customers go through is they call a whole bunch of contractors into their house, they wait around all day, and various contractors go through their house, look at different things, measure some stuff, write a quote on a piece of paper, hand it to them, and people feel a little bit pressured to buy something. So that is the complete opposite of what we want to accomplish here at Furnace USA. So for us, we make it as quick and easy and convenient as we possibly can. So the first way we make it convenient is you can actually look in the description below. You can click the link that says schedule and you can schedule your own quote for as soon as today. Secondly, you can actually type in a little bit of information about your place. We can use that to build the quote before we even reach out to you. So with that information, we give you a fast and quick quote for your home and make it so it's a great experience for you. So reach out to us today, click the link to schedule a quote now, and we will be in touch. Thank you.